Playtime.
Elisha, what do you have there?
A farmhouse.
A farmhouse? Is that little people? Can I see what you got?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, nice. Oh, you have little horse here. And what's this?
A sheep.
No, I think, is that a sheep? No, it's a cow.
Cow.
And this one?
A sheep.
Yeah, sheep. And you have a pig too? Uh-oh.
Sheep.
And this one? Oh, that's your little people.
People.
And this one, what is this? Oh my. Okay, can you put the fence? Can you put the fence?
Put the pen there.
Yeah, you have to put the fence right here.
There.
You do like here. Here. Put it here. Ta-da! Yeah. There you go. Okay. Put the other one. Good job. Put it harder like this. There you go. How about the other one? This one. There's one more. There you go. Good job. And how about this gate? You have a gate too.
Yes, here.
Okay, put the gate. There you go. Good. Can you open the door? Oh, it's a cow. It's a cow's house here. Oh, it's a horse.
It's a horse.
So you have to put the horse here, and then you have to close it.
Here.
Close the door. No, the cow should go in the other side. You open the door first. There you go. Oh, it's a sheep. It's a sheep goes here. Okay, they close it. There. So the horse and the cow.
Horse is the cow.
Maybe the cow go on the other side. Here.
Here. Here. Beside her.
It's okay. Oh, they will fight if you put them together.
Please, want to go beside.
Huh?
I want to go beside.
And how about this one, Elisha? Uh-oh. Can you open the door? Oh, that's for the horse. The other door? Oh, that's for the cow. Okay. There you go. Okay. And how about this door? What is this door for?
The house.
Yeah, can you open? Is there a sound in it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's a sheep.
Yeah, maybe you can put it here.
Where's to go?
What's this?
A chicken.
You go feed your sheep now and your cow. Come on, this is the little people. This is the farmer. Is this the farmer? I am the farmer. I am the farmer. Okay.
Anyway, tomato.
What?
Tomato.
Okay.
I got you.
What's that?
Place it.
Place it. Look. Open the door.
Sure to eat.
Huh?
Can we eat? Can we eat too?
Okay, sure.
Choo-choo.
Oh.
Can we eat too?
Sure.
Thank you.
Welcome. What are they going to eat? Cereal! Oh my. Okay, give them cereal. Where's the cereal? Oh, here's cereal. Does the pig eat cereal too?
Yeah.
Okay, how about the cow? What is he going to eat?
I'm here.
Cereal again? Hello, what's your name?
Yeah.
I am the farmer, and I don't have name. Oh, he doesn't have name.
Yeah.
Okay, so the farmer will go feed all these animals. The sheep eat grass. Does the sheep eat grass or no?
Crash.
Grass or cereal?
Crash.
Ding, ding. Good job. And then you go check your chicken. Oh. Go feed your chicken. Now what's this? Choo. Whoop. Whoop.
Oh, here go up.
Go walk where? Can he go here? Can he go slide on here? Ding.
And the more. And I got the chair.
Okay.
I'll go here. It'll go up. Go up. It's your slide. Wee.
Wee. Wee.
This is a big slide.
Is it a big slide?
Yeah. It's go pull you up. You wait for it. I will get my food first.
Okay, Elisha will get the food first. You wait. Sheep, Elisha will give you something to eat. Does your cow can eat chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
The cow. The cow. She was
Cow and the horse. Okay, wow. Is that their breakfast?
Yeah. This is breakfast.
Okay. Wow, I love chicken.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, you too? Nice.
Yeah, me
Is
too.
that your favorite?
Yeah, the pig and the pig.
And the pig what?
And the pig breakfast.
Oh, the pig is going to eat his breakfast too?
Yeah. She going to share.
He's going to share?
Yeah, she going to share the chicken.
Oh my, that's good. So can I try the chicken too?
No, it's hot.
Oh, it's hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, so when can I eat the chicken?
Because it's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Okay.
Don't touch it. You got burned, mommy.
I'll get burned? Okay. I'll let it cool first and then I'll eat later, okay?
See, you can eat it hot.
Okay.
She do touch it.
Okay.
You touch it, though, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot.
It's
That did the worst.
It's dangerous?
Yeah, you touch it. You got burned, mommy.
Okay. There's no pizza?
Yeah, there's no pizza.
Oh, maybe somebody eat it already.
Yes,
Elisha eat it?
yeah.
Oh my. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Wow.
I got washing.
Got washing?
Yeah, and
What you got?
the button.
To put
Button. And
Your
and
kitchen.
The oven.
Okay, your oven. Okay, yeah.
Give it to me. Give it.
You're going to cook there? You're going to cook for animal? Okay,
Oh,
cook
the
for...
bacon. The bacon. Don't bake again, mommy.
What?
Don't bake it.
Okay, I won't. I will fix it. I'll fix it.
Give it to me. Thank you.
You're welcome, Elisha.
I will put that in the oven because it's hot.
Mm-hmm. What? So when can they eat? I think they're already hungry.
No, it's hot. It's hot. Don't get burned.
They will get burned?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will put the money. Give me money. I will put it.
Oh, here's the money. Ta.
I'm going to put it.
Okay. Oh, close the door.
Hey, mommy. Hey, the open. The open it. It's
Okay.
hot.
Okay.
The burn.
Okay.
The ship.
Mm-hmm.
Hot. Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
It's a burn.
Okay. All done.
No.
Meh, meh, meh. Moo, moo.
Mommy,
Where's our food?
It was
Nay,
here at
nay,
the oven.
nay.
It was here at the oven.
I'll go eat the chicken now. I'm so hungry. Where's the
This is hot.
chicken?
This is hot.
Hot?
Yeah, hot. Don't eat everything.
Don't-
It's hot.
Okay, we're so hungry.
Mm.
Even the little people is so hungry.
No, this is I have spoon.
Are they going to use spoon too?
Yeah,
Oh my.
I'm going to cook for a spoon. And she's hungry now.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm done on that.
Not done?
Yeah. I'll go to today.
Cooking choo-choo train? Oh my goodness,
It's a
Elisha.
hot. It's
Who
a
are
hot.
going to eat the train? Who will eat the train?
Sheep.
The sheep will eat your train?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I will put it.
Here, you boil it.
Here.
Boil. Need to boil it.
No, put it chicken. All done.
All done? Okay. Can we eat now?
I'm not done yet. I'm still cooking.
Mm.
It's hot.
Okay.
You touch it.
Okay.
No.
Why not?
Hot. Hot.
Like, Elisha, who will eat the train? So hot. Who will eat your train? All done. Okay. Tell them to eat now. Come on. Okay. Mmm. Yummy chicken. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Chicken. Oink, 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 oink,
Yeah,
oink.
here. Right here. Yeah.
Okay, you feed them.
Okay.
You feed them. Come on. Wow, yummy. They like chicken?
People will eat too.
Okay.
People will eat.
Mhm.
Yummy. Yum.
Yummy.
I'll play this one game.
Okay. They need to go to bed now.
No, not yet. She to eating.
Still eating?
Yeah, to eating. So I'll finish.
Okay. You guys finish the chicken and then you guys go to bed. You
Yeah,
put them in their bed, okay?
I got baby bed.
No, they have their bed there. Right there. There you go. No. Right there. Okay, are they all done? Wow, chicken.
Yummy.
Yummy.
I will wash the dishes.
Okay, go wash the dishes.
I will go to the tray for this one.
Okay.
And she will go night night.
Okay.
I'm going to this one.
Okay.
You drink water first.
Okay.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Okay. Hey, that's enough water.
Here.
Wow.
She needs to go to bed.
Okay, put it in the bed.
She needs to go to bed. She needs slippers.
Okay. Is that a bed?
Yeah.
Who are going to sleep here? Here. Oh, the cow. Put the cow there.
No, she's too sleepy.
Okay, go to bed now. Go to bed. There you go. Go to bed. Night. And the sheep too. Go to bed. Elisha.
And she's sleeping.
Okay, Elisha sleeping too. Good night, Elisha. Good night, everybody.
I'll cook.
Oh, yeah. It's already night. You guys go to sleep now. Good night. Good night, Elisha.
Good night, Mommy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Say good night.
Good night.
Elisha will go night. Bye.
Give me my telephone.
Okay, bye. Bye, Elisha.